With being one of the biggest social media website for marketing and millions of active users, LinkedIn is a place with opportunities for selling. It also has tons of feature which can help you grow with business. But there is also vast competition out there which you will have to deal with. We will discuss some points for effective selling on LinkedIn which help you remain a step ahead of your competition. Building your profile. An impressive presentation is very important for a seller. It is that one glimpse of your profile which will either generate trust in the customer for you or scroll away from your website. The right impression is must if you want customer to buy your product. You can understand it as how people in the market are attracted to shops which are neat and well built. And no one likely would step into a shop with a stink and pile of dirt, no matter how better a product or service it offers. Target your audience. The prior step before applying any marketing or advertising strategy is to define your section of audience. Businesses often miss out the part of selecting and targeting an audience segment which would be more interested in buying their product or service. For example, if you are selling something related to marketing, then focus on people who are into marketing rather than slipping into every other category. This will also help you get the best out of your limited advertisement and making budget. Consistent uploads. Selling on social media platform isn't as easy as merely uploading a content with promotion. People need a certain form of trustability to be assured of your product and service. Upon meeting up with your advertisement, people will look up to your profile for seeking authenticity. Thus, it is important to regularly update your profile with newer posts to hook visitor to your content. It is as simple as how big brand update their social media account regularly. Use analytics. LinkedIn has many analytics tools to provide you insights for your page and content which can be extremely helpful to analyze your profile performance. It has features such as people who viewed your profile, number of followers, also number of people who viewed your profile. And there are also multiple features to monitor your paid advertisements such as click-through rate, cost per click impressions, etc. These can give you a sound knowledge about your audience's preferences and wants, and thus delivering according to it. We will discuss more about it in our upcoming lectures.